Scotland were at the World Cup 28 years ago. They faced Brazil in the opening match of the whole tournament. This time it's the final group game, and the perennial contenders from Brazil aren't the only John McGinnis. Away we go in Miami. In the minutes we've seen him on the field so far, got 4 points, one would think. They'd be very unlucky. Rocco, and they've done the same thing here. Not to go through with 4, and a little bit of
concentration. Junior was just looking at
Ronaldo, and Rivaldo is the only Brazil.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Very humid in Miami. He's used to playing in the heat, but he's captured the 2 central defenders for
Scotland have just been brutally punished.
He's up to 4 goals. Vinicius Junior cannot believe his luck.
Slow, too relaxed legs. We'll see it. Scotland, Jack Hendry.
Leading the group, set to win the group. It long into the Scotland penalty area.
Really quick pace. Cunha with a diving flick on.
Guimaraes again. Post. We're in Miami.
Brilliant. All he's doing is just trying for the worst possible time to concede a goal, but for Brazil to double their lead. Perfect.
Paqueta in towards Ryan. It's brilliantly done, and that's... Ryan arrived in the national team now, but it is Vinicius Junior, a gift. Evening, Allison actually wasn't in goal for a good minute. To McGinn. Tierney's ball into decent one, and the Paqueta. Vinicius Junior wants it forward. He's got it as well. It's Vinicius.
Going to be on their front foot. They're going to look for that really big. Kept his arms out of the way. He's a threat when they go forward.
Delicate touch from Paqueta. Lovely patterns. Excellent.
So well initially. Winning possession of the ball.
Leading Scotland by 3 goals to 0. Sending it forward. Tierney with another good ball into the box. Shankland sends it across. The play as Brazil come forward again with Vinicius Junior. Counter here with Ryan. He has some support. Danilo sends it across to the far. Still Scotland straining, trying to find a way. His chances, but he won't worry about that too much. Vinicius Junior, and 1 hold of their record 3 years. But in the end, they couldn't lay